Hello dear kids, a warm welcome to you all on my channel. My today's video is all about the important fill-in from the chapter Soil and its Types. I would suggest you that please watch the video till the end at least 2 times from the beginning so that you can prepare yourself in the best possible way. So let's start our today's video. Number 1 fill-in is the uppermost layer of the earth is called dash. What do we say to the uppermost layer of the earth? We call it soil. So the uppermost layer of the earth is called soil. Number 2, dash grow in soil and provide dash for animals and humans. The answer is plants grow in soil and provide food for animals and humans. Number 3, when dash and dash died, their body remains got mixed up in the soil. The answer is when plants and animals died, their body remains got mixed up in the soil. Number 4, dash makes the soil fertile. The answer is humus makes the soil fertile. Number 5, dash is formed by breaking up of dash. The answer is soil is formed by breaking up of rocks. When the rock gets broken down, it forms soil. Number 6, soil contains dash and dash. The answer is soil contains air and water. Number 7, the dead plant and animal matter in the soil is called humus. Number 8, the dash of the plants absorb minerals and water from the soil. The answer is the roots of the plants absorb minerals and water from the soil. There are mainly dash types of soil. How many types of soil we know? There are mainly 3 types of soil. Number 10, soil that contains lot of sands is called dash soil. The answer is soil that contains lot of sands is called sandy soil. Very good. So you need to remember that it is called sandy soil. Number 11, sandy soil contains a lot of dash. The answer is sandy soil contains a lot of air. Why? The sand particles being bigger in size, they take up a lot of space between them. So it has air. Number 12, sandy soil is found in dash and on the dash. Sandy soil is found in deserts and on the beaches. Number 13, dash soil is smooth and soft. That is, clay soil is smooth and soft. Number 14, clay soil can hold a lot of dash but it can't trap much dash. Clay soil can hold a lot of water but it can't trap much air. Number 15, clay soil is used by potters to make dash and dash. The clay soil is used by potters to make toys and pots. Number 16, dash soil is good for making bricks. It is clay soil, it's good for making bricks. Why? Because this can hold a lot of water but cannot trap much air. Number 17, dash soil is a mixture of clay, sand and a lot of humus. Kids, you need to remember that loamy soil is a mixture of clay, sand and a lot of humus. Number 18, loamy soil can hold both dash and dash. The answer is loamy soil can hold both air and water. So do remember, it can hold both air and water. Number 19. Dash is a mixture of cattle dung and decaying leaves. The answer is manure is a mixture of cattle dung and decaying leaves. Number 20. Dash and dash dig burrows inside the soil. The animals, rabbits and mice dig burrows inside the soil. Number 21. The earthworm helps in making the soil dash. The answer is the earthworm helps in making the soil fertile. Number 22. We make dash pots with soil. The answer is we make clay pots with soil. Number 23. The art of making clay pots is called dash. It is called pottery. Pottery is the art of making clay pots. Number 24. The first cooking vessels were dash vessels. So, the answer to 24 is, it is clay vessels. The first cooking vessels were clay vessels. That means they were made from clay. Number 25. Earlier, the houses were made of dash and dash. The answer is, earlier the houses were made of clay or muds. Number 26. The strong dash used in making buildings are made of soil. The answer to this fill-in is, the strong bricks that we use in making buildings are made of soil. Can you imagine? The soil is used in making the bricks which are so strong in making up the buildings. My dear kids, with this I conclude my today's video session and I suggest you to go through the video and revise again.